Hey friends, welcome to this Molblly mattress unboxing. So this thing comes with this. Once you pull it out of the box, there's a tape on here. Take this off. Has some instructions in there, as well as this little device. So we're going to use this to open this up here. Let's go ahead and pull this off. I believe this should just keep it wrapped up there. Pull this plastic off of there. A lot of plastic. Okay, let me put that out of the way. And now, that's the part that holds it kind of together. And we want to roll this out now. Roll it out. It says zipper side down is how we want to place this on here. Okay, so where's zipper side? Looking through the zipper here. I believe that's this side down, the gray side down, and then our mattress side. Okay, wait, no, here's the zipper right here. I'm just going to double check to make sure. But it does say zipper side down, but it looks like this part is the one that remains upward is the, I'm just going to do it. I don't think it matters too much. I just got to get my handy dandy little tool here to remove it. Okay, and we can use this to open our thing. Just not going to stab our mattress with this. And we just slide this along right under the plastic here. And that's just going to start expanding right away. Slide that under there. And there we go. Alright, now we'll try to take this plastic off here. It's going to start expanding. We'll just cut this off. There we go. Now it's going to slide it underneath on this side. And get this off on this side here. Just like that. Take that out. Alright. And now it's going to expand. So I think this is the top portion, if I'm not mistaken. And just set that out now. And it should grow up to be a full-size mattress. Well friends, it's been about 24 hours and the mattress is fully expanded. Just first impression here, has a nice soft feel to it up here. And also I just noticed that we have the zippers here. I think this whole top can come off and be washed if necessary. So that's pretty cool. Body support pillow. All right, we're gonna test it out and see what we think.
All right,
First impression.
We're gonna go ahead and sit on this, and so far I can tell that it's supporting my body really well. If I lay down, I can feel it kind of supporting my elbows here and my side. And then on my side here, I can feel it supporting my hips and my legs and my arm and everything. Overall, an amazing mattress. All right, I think that concludes that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.